In a busy city between two tall grey buildings, a small tree grew. All alone, its branches were thin, and its leaves barely touched the sunlight. Every day, people rushed past too busy to notice it, and the tree felt invisible and sad. One morning, a little boy stopped, smiled, and watered it from his tiny bottle. Day by day, he returned, talking to the tree, reading stories, and even drawing little pictures nearby. Slowly, the tree grew greener leaves, tiny flowers, and a stronger trunk. People began noticing, sitting in its shade, enjoying its beauty, and feeling happy. The tree realized it did not need a forest to matter. One small act of kindness had changed its life and made the street brighter. From that day on, everyone learned that hope can grow in the smallest places, and even little gestures can make a big difference. The tree whispered in the wind, sharing its joy, and the city seemed to smile along with it. And every evening, the boy looked up and promised to always care for those who feel alone.